Pokeball.
Great! Alright, you thunderbolt them! Go!
So much for your first catch a Poliwrath, then catch a Pikachu plan.
No problem, but we first should have caught a Pokemon.